Fellows, welcome to CSF Tech and Engineering. Today, I'm here to do only 3 simple stuff, okay? Now, I have to change my mass airflow sensor, okay? Previously, I made a video about swapping my 2 Mercedes-Benz, okay? The mass airflow sensor from GLK350 to C250, okay, and then the problems on the engine codes on the 250 C250 now came on the GLK350. So upon that, I order this unit here. That's a mass airflow sensor. Now, fellows, I'm living in Canada. Now, this mass airflow sensor, I call some auto parts, and then they were quoting me around $300, okay? Which, you know, the dealer will be more, okay? If you go to the car dealership or Mercedes-Benz dealership, it will be more. So I end up buying this from eBay, and including shipping and duty prices, okay, I get it this one I think $50, okay, $50 plus the shipping fee, so which is cheap. But I don't know, you see the sensor is inside. I don't know how good it is, whatever it is, but hey, I don't think probably they selling bad stuff. Probably my work, who knows. So I just gonna try it out. So I have to change this mass airflow sensor. The other one on the car is giving trouble code, but it's still working. If it's bad, then probably your car, you cannot start, and then when you're driving, you will not have enough power. All the power is there, but it's just giving me the trouble code, which tells me that this mass airflow sensor is not working properly. Now, bear in mind, when they give you the code, it will not tell you that the mass airflow sensor is not working. No, it will tell you cylinder bank 1 is too lean, cylinder bank 2 is too lean, those sort of stuff, or not enough air coming into the combustion chamber. Those kind of trouble codes that it was saying on my the meter. Okay, so I'm here to change this one. Now, another one I'm here also to change is the air filter. All right, so this one I got it from Amazon. The same thing, I went to the auto parts to ask, and then they ask telling me 20 something, I think $26 for each, for one like this. One of this is $26, but I get it from Amazon. Right, all of them together, all these two, I get it for I think it was 37 or something, 37. So which is cheaper. Okay, so I'm gonna put that one in. Okay, so let's leave that one here. Now, the last thing I want to change is, let's see this here. If we go here, okay, let's switch the, okay, so the last thing I want to change is these things here. See, you can tell everything is done out. See, it's garbage, so we gotta click it out. Okay, see, this is going to right in the garbage there. See, all of them, left and right, or not, all of them are, all of it is garbage, no use. So it came in this box here, and ever since it came, I never even opened it up yet. So today is the first time I'm opening it up, because I wanted all the parts to come so that I can change all of them at the same time. So yes, it came. So now let's open it up and see what is inside. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So fellows, yeah. So this is two new ones, two brand new ones. Okay. So I'm changing that. I'm changing all of them. So this what I'm going to do today. It will be simple. I don't think it's any difficult job. All right. So let's bring you here, and then let's start the job by removing all those things. Okay. Yes. And one of these days I have to change the oil on this car, but not today. I have the oil filter, everything, but the weather is not that great yet, as we'll see. Yeah. And ever since I bought this car, I didn't ever change the engine air filter yet. So this is the first time I am changing this engine air filter. And I have the car, I have it for long, I think more than 5 years. So yeah, today I'm doing the engine air filter. Okay. So this all unit is just what the air filter is there. Okay, that's where the air filter, engine air filter is. So I need a tool to pop it out so that I can take the filter out. Okay, so fellows, see, yes, it's running. Okay, so you just have to put a screwdriver here and pop this one out there. Let's pop it out, and then you just have to pull. Just pull. Okay, it's out. And pull it. Okay, and you have to disconnect this secondary air pump hose. Okay, and that's it. That's all. Alright, so I have some screws to take out, and then that's it. So let's put this aside here for now, okay? And then probably just start taking out the mass airflow sensor. You can tell the mass airflow sensor is at the back there. It's at the back. Before I go forward, let's connect extra lighting. So fellows, stay tuned. Let's connect extra lighting, so then we'll get enough light here. Okay, yeah, fellows, now we get an extra lighting there. Okay, let me put this aside. So after everything is installed, I just have to clear the code. I have to inspect the seal. As you can see, there's a seal here. We have to make sure there's no leak. Otherwise, then you still have an engine code or the trouble code there. Okay, so you gotta inspect it anytime you take it out. Okay. Now, let's see the mass airflow sensor here. Okay. You have to push this and then pull it out. Push and pull. Okay. Sometimes it's not that easy to do. Okay. You gotta pull it back. I need the see the screwdriver here. One thing about this car is high. It's higher. So working on it is sometimes not easy because of you gotta stretch. Now the connector is out from the back. Okay, now there's two clips here. You're gonna push it, you push it away, it sits inside there, some grooves here, you push it and then lift it. Where I'm positioning is not the best way to do that. Okay, I have a gloves. I guess let's see. Usually I don't like wearing gloves to work on these things, but let's see. Maybe I'll get used to it. So let's put the gloves on. Okay. Okay, what is my screwdriver here? And this one, I am not gonna throw it away right away. I'm probably gonna use it for, you know, education purposes. Okay, now it's out. There's kind of groove at the back holding it. Okay, so fellows, that's how it is. It's a mass airflow sensor. Right, okay. So this is the old one. And then you have to examine it. And this is the new one. This is the new one. And this is the old one. Okay. Yeah. So the new one. Okay. So let's put it there. Let's put it in. As you can see, there's this clips here. Right. You open it up. You open it up. This one's. And then it clicks on. Like that. But there's kind of a metal hook over there, so it has to go under the metal hook. So first, it's easy as that. One is out, one is in. Okay, let's see. Good. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Now it sits perfectly now. It's easy as that. Yeah, so fellows, it's good. Things that you can do, as I always say, do it yourself. If you can do it yourself. And you have to see if it's sitting right. Now, after I might have to probably connect the computer to clear the code. The code might not go by itself. I might have to put the computer to clear the code. So now this wire here, I have to push it in, and then the clip, I have to connect it to the unit. Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. Okay, go. Yeah, it's connected. Looks good. Okay. Now it's connected. Nothing difficult. All right. Yeah. So next is the air filter. Now, fellows, this air filter, okay, the box is two side. Only this one here, one there. It's two. Right? It's two, left and right. So you're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 screw on each side. Okay, and then we can replace the air filter. Now it uses the torque. So let's get the torque. The torque's let's see. Okay. Yeah. So, fellows, let's hang the lights here. And hopefully, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Okay. Let's chase one side first. Let's see how dirty it is. I guess I don't have to show you all of them. I guess it's the same procedure. So I'll show you one, and then it's just repeatable. The same procedure. So it's as simple as that. Okay. It's as simple as that. Nothing difficult, especially to do the air filter. I don't know if I can do the oil change today. Okay. So okay, well, fellows, and as I said, ever since I bought this car, I never changed the air filter. So let's see how dirty it is. Let's come this way and see. Let's see how dirty. Holy cow, holy cow, holy cow. The thing is very dirty, fellows. See, wow, it's dirty, man. Wow, I think I have to clean inside too. See, yeah, it's too dirty. Yeah, so you just have to clean inside and then clean throw this away and put a new one in. That's it. Yeah, it goes in facing down. So holy cow, a lot of I mean, and if you have your filter dirty like this, the car don't have enough air going through, so you burn more fuel, right? So bear in mind on that. Yeah. So usually when I used to go to the mechanic to do these things, the mechanic has to do the when he do the oil change, he's supposed to tell you, okay, maybe it's time for you to do your air filter, but he never asked me anything like that. So you know, I just go change oil, and then that's it. That's all I do. Just go change oil. You know, for like almost 5 years now I have this car. This is the first time I'm changing that the air filter. Okay, so I gotta clean up. So fellows, stay tuned. Yeah, so fellows, this is the new air filter. Okay, as you can tell, no dirt inside. Very nice. Alright, okay, and then compared to the ones on the floor there, okay, that's the one on the floor, that's the old one, and there's dust inside. Okay, so the whole box, just because of this one air filter, so it goes like that, and then you push it inside. Just push it inside. Okay, it goes, and then as you can see, it sits inside, right? You have to sit inside like that, right? The new one will be a little bit puffy, right? So it will be a little puffy because it's a new rubber. Okay, that's about it. Okay, and then right, that's how it looks. See inside there. Okay, good. So for sure now the vehicle is gonna, I mean, consume less gas. Okay, good. Stick it on like that, and then just this one here, and this one at the back. and then don't over tight it. Okay, don't over tight it, otherwise it's a rubber, otherwise you strip it. Okay, as easy as that. Okay, as easy as that. And don't forget it's two sides, right? That's done. This side is done. Yes, let it be. I'm tight. That's it. That one is done. Yeah. Sometimes you might think the Mercedes or any other car dealership, you might think the technicians, because of they work for Toyota or maybe they work for Lexus or they work for Mercedes Benz, you might think they always do a great job, but you know, it's not like that. Because I used to work in Richmond Toyota. I was just a helper over there. I was not a mechanic, just a helper helping mechanics. And when the customers bring their cars, after we service it, we have to wash it. So we do wash those cars, right? We do wash them, and then we also drive the shuttle bus, right? Sometimes the customer will drop the car and then they want to go home, so we will take them home, or sometimes we take them to work, and then we'll pick them up when they are ready to come, or the car is ready. We give them a call and pick them up. I worked there for about 2 years before I went to college. You know, before I wanted to be a mechanic, have an actual mechanic license. But then, when I did work in Richmond Toyota, and then I noticed that the mechanics, when they come there, they don't pay them to be there. They pay them when they work on actual car. So then I said to myself, then this is not convenient, right? So because of that, I changed my mind to become a mechanic. But I had a talent since, you know, I was born. I have this skill of doing mechanic work, electrical work. I have all those things, but I'm not just licensed, but I have the technical know-how to do it. So fellows, this is done. So you just have to put it on it. Okay, you have to be very careful. Alright, and this is the computer, the ECU, or some people call it ECM. Okay, it has to sit like that on top. Okay, and then from the back, right? Let the back sit first. Push it. Make sure the back is sitting. That side is done. Okay. Okay. Okay now. Yeah. Now the back is on now. Okay. Yeah. If the back did not sit well, then you're gonna have a trouble code. The engine will not what? It's gonna leak a vacuum there. Good. So that is done. That is done now. Now this is the secondary air pump, as you guys can see. That's the secondary air pump unit today. Okay. Yeah. This is a secondary air pump. It only works when the car is cold. It just turn on to push carbon out from the catalytic converter and all those stuff there. It push wasted carbon from there. So that is the only thing that it does. Okay, so fellows, this is done. Now the next thing I have to do is to pull this thing here. So this thing's are next. So that's a brand new one. Okay. Good. Okay, clip on nicely, and then you push it back. and then it fits on good and nice. I prefer this better than the one on my C250. The C250, that one is like a hardcore plastic, and so I'm taking it out. It's not easy at all. And put it in the back. You have to push it, press it. But this one kind of slide on very nice. All right. So fellas, that is also done. Okay. And then, so that's all I came to do. It's already 31 minutes of doing this job. So one thing is when you're working on the car and then it fell. When you're working on the car and then you video recording, sometimes take time because of the video. Let's put it on. Okay, look. It's done. Okay, so fellas, it's done. Now I have to start the car, and then probably I might have to connect the computer. So we might have to go inside the car and then connect the computer. It's done. Yeah, so fellas, that's it about it. Stay tuned now whilst we go into the car and connect the computer to clear the code, and then let's see if it might come up later on. Stay tuned. Okay, after doing the installation, in particularly the reason why the check light is on is because of the mass airflow sensor. Now I have replaced the mass airflow sensor. Now the car is running. As you can see, the RPM, everything is on. Okay, it's running, but the check engine light is still on. It will not go by itself unless you clear it. Okay, so that is why I have the top down. Right, I have this one there. Here, right, as you can see, the check engine light is still on over there. Okay, so now let's go through and see. Let's scan the health. Okay, diagnostics. Okay, and then you see auto search will search for the VIN number. Okay, searching for the VIN number. Okay, okay, they find the VIN number, so that's the VIN number. Okay, let's see, it's loading. The check engine light is still on. Okay, yeah, it's doing its own thing. So after that, okay, now you see it tells you GLK 0024.987, right? So I don't know, it knows the model. Okay, and now let's do car health and hit test. Okay, let's go. The same 4 errors that previously it was there, the same thing is there. Okay, and because why? Because I have to clear the system. Right, 100%. And then let's see, enter. Okay, let's see what the code C says. Read code, read fault code. See, so this is the same thing it was telling me before. The mixture cylinder bank 1 is too lean, current installed. Right, so that's what it's telling me. Right, the mixture, right, cylinder bank 2 and bank 1 All right, it's too lean. Okay, so I'm going to clear it, and when it comes back again, that means the problem is still there. Right? That means the problem is still there. That means then the mass airflow sensor that I bought is not good. Yeah, that's all I can see. Okay, so let's go, and then actually let me take picture, and then let's see. Okay, so we're gonna take picture for that. Okay, first, and then let's take the bottom. Okay, so let's see, another snap. Okay, so now I'm going back, and then let's say clear fault code. You can see there, right? Clear fault code. Select that one. Okay, now it's gone. See? Okay, it's gone. Okay, so now it's done. I clear the code. That is all I can do. So fellows, that is how it is done. The problem, the trouble, everything's gone. Okay, so stay tuned. Fellows, share, like, comment on CSF Tech and engineering for more episodes, exciting episodes, so that you can learn. I can learn from you, you can learn from me in the next episode. See you later. Bye-bye.